Its very existence signifies strength, durability, and functionality. A building material like no other. A critical engineering component. Concrete. It's used in millions of building and restoration projects. And while concrete is durable, it can and does deteriorate, causing large expenditures in replacement, construction, and labor.
There's no doubt about it. Concrete is a truly amazing construction material. It's strong, it's durable, it's got great insulation properties, it's widely available. Now, it's been around since the Romans, and today there is not one other building material that meets the structural performance of concrete at the same costs and with the same availability around the world. So it's a material that's here to stay. Concrete, some studies say it contributes up to 8% of the world's CO2 emissions. Now, that's an enormous number. The problem is there's no other material in the world today that has the same structural performance of concrete at the same costs and with the same availability. So we have to find some way of mitigating those CO2 emissions. If we can ensure the service life of concrete all the way through its useful life, and if we can extend that life, we can then amortize the carbon dioxide emissions over a longer period and effectively reduce future carbon dioxide emissions in concrete. And that's what we're trying to do here at Zypex.
Zypex is widely used as an additive, one that's been meeting concrete's challenges for more than 50 years, saving business and property owners millions. Equally important are the positive environmental impacts Zypex concrete additives continue to provide.
Predicted service life of concrete can be extended to more than 150 years. But there's a number of features that make Zypex sustainable. Zypex product formulation is environmentally friendly, unlike petroleum-based waterproofing solutions. It has no VOCs, no red list chemicals, and is so clean that it's the preferred waterproofing of choice for large concrete structures that are for drinking water. As our additive is added to the concrete before it arrives to the construction site, it eliminates the need for construction crews on site and speeds up the construction cycle and reducing the carbon footprint of the construction activity. Engineers and researchers from industries as varied as wind turbines to aeronautics have been looking for ways to get materials themselves to self-heal when cracks are formed. Zypex has been doing this for over 50 years.
Activated in the presence of water, Zypex crystals form, reacting over time, healing cracks throughout the life of the structure. Longer concrete life means greater cost savings and peace of mind.
Zypex is synonymous with crystalline waterproofing of concrete, as Kleenex and Band-Aids are to their markets. There's a simple reason for this. Architects, engineers, and contractors trust Zypex to continually deliver on our track record of proven performance. We bring a holistic combination of performance benefits, short-term value to contractors, and long-term value to owners. There are performance benefits such as hydrostatic pressure resistance and self-healing of cracks. There are short-term value to contractors in terms of fast installation, and long-term value to owners in terms of one-time permanent application with extension of service life. Independent academic research of our technology has scientifically proven our efficacy time and time again. Zypex has recently been named the first and only waterproofing admixture in the European Union. Zypex technology has no equal.
Zypex is a unique technology that capitalizes on concrete's porous characteristics.
Concrete is made of cement, sand, water, and stone. It appears to be a solid mass, but the truth is, inside the concrete, there's a whole network of water channels and cracks. This is why it leaks. This is why it can deteriorate. Now, the Zypex proprietary formulation works inside the concrete. It reacts and forms a mineral-based crystalline formation that blocks up these water channels and cracks. That is how it protects and waterproofs concrete.
From Vancouver, we really do touch the entire world. Some of our iconic global projects include the Panama Canal, where the locks and conduits were rehabilitated. NASA's Neutral Buoyancy Lab tank, where we protected the concrete and provided an important white surface. The California Science Academy, for the protection and waterproofing of a 4-level foundation, as well as the water retaining structures and pools throughout the museum. The Sydney Opera House, Zypex Concentrate, waterproofed this Australian landmark. Gateway Arch in St. Louis, Zypex Concentrate addressed the interior tunnel surfaces. The Bronx Zoo, we were the solution for the water-holding structures of the primate exhibit. The CERN particle accelerator. Zypex was used to treat and enhance the concrete surfaces.
70% of purchasing decisions made in the construction industry is based on trust. This industry has a long and complex cycle with many challenges, so engineers and architects look for partners whom they can trust to help them solve their problems.
Whether it be critical global transport channels, iconic cultural architecture, or the structural pillars of advanced technology, Zypex delivers the trusted solutions for their concrete. We protect metro systems from Rio to Santiago, San Francisco to Washington, London and Paris to Istanbul and Ankara, Tel Aviv and Cairo to Dubai and New Delhi, all the way to Shanghai and Hong Kong, to just name a few. Zypex provides resilient protection to critical transit infrastructure around the planet.
Our global network of technical advisors partner closely with project teams to ensure the best solutions are offered for their project. This is the way we build trust at Zypex. Over the years, we have built up a portfolio of long-term customers who have come to rely on us for their peace of mind, our expertise, and most of all, have come to trust us.
Used in building and restoration projects in more than 90 countries, Zypex continues to offer critical concrete waterproofing to infrastructures worldwide. To find out more about how Zypex can assist in your next project, go to zypex.com. And always, more information at InsideTheBlueprint.com.